schedule my appointment, right? At 1 o'clock. Okay, perfect. Oh my gosh, I was so excited. Okay, so I knew you were gonna say this. So, yeah, technically, Dr. Stephen Roberts is my dad, but I'm his daughter. Yeah, so he taught me everything though, and he's out of town right now, so I told him I would like take his appointments for him. Yeah, I'm about to do like a plastic surgery one tomorrow. I'm so excited. I know. So anyway, but you're here for a cranial nerve exam, right? Okay, perf. No, these are like so easy. Like, I'm so excited to do it. Yeah. Is there like any reason that you're here, by the way? Before I write that down, I do need your first name, last name, and your date of birth. Okay, so you don't remember your date of birth? Oh no! Oh my god! Wait, that's so sad. Oh, do you know like what month maybe? Do you remember that? Is that why you're here? You're having like some memory problems? Yeah, okay. No, don't feel bad. Oh my god. I'm here to help you. We're gonna sort this out together, okay, bestie? Okay. Oh my god, no way. Oh, this started like a week ago. Okay. Do you remember why? Like, what were you doing? Did you fall or you went to get lip filler and then you started feeling weird? Okay, no worries. Do you remember what you've been doing since then? Not really. No, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry, bestie. We're gonna figure this out. Don't worry. I'm just taking some notes here. And then, hold on. I'm gonna text my dad real quick. Yeah, because, like, I never heard of this. Low-key. Okay, I'm gonna send him a picture. Okay. Perf. I'm gonna send it to him. Yeah, he just got remarried again. But, like, he's, and she's, like, 22, and he's, like, 65, so I know. And I'm like, you're so old. Like, ew. Anyway, so we're gonna, but don't worry, bestie. We're gonna get this sorted out for you. I know exactly what to do. Don't worry. Okay, so I think first we're going to start with your vision, because maybe like there could be something behind your eyes and it's doing something to like your brain or something, because like from what I know, it's like all connected. Isn't that beautiful? I always thought that was so beautiful. Everything's connected. Anyway, so I'm going to check your eyes first. And so to do that, we're going to do a little bit of a color analysis for you. I will say, the more I look at your eyes, they kind of like go from green to like pitch black beady eyes. Have you been noticing that? Is that like, or were you born that way? I don't want to offend nobody. Okay, interesting. No, totally fine. Okay, so I have this. Okay, I actually, it's for my lighting in my room at home, but I feel like it's really good for testing like what colors you can see. Right? Isn't that? I'm so creative. Anyway, so my friend, can you tell me what color this one is? Can you tell me? This one. No, it's not black. No, it's great. Let's do an easier one. What about this one? Primary color. Get closer for you. What color? No, that's not black either. I don't want to give anything away, but none of these are black. Do they all look the same to you? They do. Okay. Wow. I have never heard somebody say that. No, don't be concerned. I just, you know, we're just gonna figure this out, okay? You know, you talk very, like, concisely and stuff. What is your line of work? Do you remember that? You sound very smart. You talk very concise, very, like, slow, and you don't remember. No, it's okay. It's okay. Maybe you were, like a journalist or something. That would be so cute. That's such a cute job. Or maybe you were like an English teacher, an English professor. That's cuter. Oh my gosh. I'm just writing down all the possibilities. Maybe like me like saying it out loud will help you remember, you know? So I'm just trying to think. Yeah, no, like I said, bestie, we're gonna figure this out together. Hold on a sec. Let me send my dad some more updates. I don't know what the time is in Bali right now. That's probably why he's not answering though. Okay, moving on. Wait, I'm gonna do a light test because I told you your eyes are kind of shifting colors. It's kind of odd. So I'm gonna shine a light and test that for you, okay? Okay, so I'm just gonna put on some gloves here in case I need to touch your face. I try to be like super sanitary. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this light here, okay? And I'm just going to shine it. So if you just want to look at my nose for me. Okay. Okay. Huh. No, just keep looking at my nose. Okay. Okay. Maybe look up for me. Just look up. Okay. I'm just gonna shine it. Oh. Huh. No, just keep looking up for me. Okay. Okay, do me a favor and just look to like the side over here. Ooh. Okay. Oh wow. Never seen this before. No, I'm just gonna take a few notes. Is this like running your family or anything? Because that was really weird. Like low key, I'm a little scared. So I'm just wondering, is it like a family thing? Like your eye, is it like a family thing, like your eye color changing? Oh, really? Oh my god, I've never heard of that. Hold on, that changes everything. So you're from Florida? Okay. Wait a minute. I think, you know what, friend? I've heard that, like, people from, like, different regions, like, their eyes and stuff, like, adapt to their surroundings. And the Florida sun is, like, super hot, right? It's, like, super hot. Okay. Oh my god, that makes so much sense. Wait. Oh my god. My dad is gonna be so proud of me. Thank you, bestie. Okay, well, sorry. Well, not just yet, I guess. We still have to test a couple other things. Other than the eyes situation. Let's see. Let's give you something to taste. Have you been eating okay? Like, or does things have like a funny flavor? Maybe no flavor? Okay, so you don't remember when you ate last? okay. No worries. I'm just gonna give you some drops, and I just want you to tell me what you taste, okay? Okay, friend. Okay, friend. So I'm just gonna cover it up so you don't see what it is, okay? So just open your mouth really wide, go ah, and just stick out your tongue. Just go ah for me, okay? I'm just gonna go. Okay, and just swallow. You don't taste anything. Okay. I gave you the mint one, because that one's pretty strong. I thought maybe you could taste that. Okay. Okay. Well, okay, let's try something else really quick. Try like 2 more things and see. Alright. Again, just go up. What's that one for you? You don't taste that one either. Okay. I did give you Vicks Vapor Rub. Yeah, because I thought maybe you could really taste that one. You don't taste it? Oh, okay. You don't feel like a sensation from it? No. Huh. Okay. What about this one? This one is my favorite one, by the way. It's not super strong, but maybe you can still taste it. You still don't taste it? Oh. That one's cotton candy. So it would have been like super sweet. Bestie, I'm getting a little worried about you. I don't lie. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me see. Let me text my dad some more of this. Okay. Well, let me see. I'm gonna get close to you. Do you mind if I touch your face? Okay, thank you so much. I'm just going to kind of, I'm just gonna touch your lip filler you got too. Do you feel me touching your face? Not really. Hold on, just a sec. So I just want you to close your eyes for me, okay? Just close your eyes. I know you're gonna have to just trust me, bestie. Just close your eyes for me, okay? It's okay. So, okay. What did that feel like for you? You don't really feel it. It's leaving like indents in your skin that are kind of like going deep and coming back. Do you think, okay, you said you're from Florida, right? Do you think that like being in the sun so much affected your skin and like your sensations? Wait, oh my god, I think we had a breakthrough. Wait a minute. I think I had a breakthrough with you, bestie. Yes. Though we did have a breakthrough, I do unfortunately think maybe you have skin cancer or something. I was thinking maybe you had a stroke from the filler, which they look amazing, by the way. You have to tell me where you went. But yeah, I don't think it's a stroke. I think maybe you have skin cancer, but like all over your body and in your eyes. Yeah, bestie, have you not been wearing your sunscreen? Yeah. Oh my god, no way. Okay, no. Hold on a sec. I know exactly who to refer you to. I'm gonna send you to my uncle, okay? this is his name. His name is also Dr. Roberts, but like his first name is it's Michael. Sorry, my dad has like 6 brothers. Huh. Anyway, do you have any family around? Maybe you should call them. Yeah. You have a bunch of sisters and cousins? Okay. No, that's so sweet. Do they know that you've been like feeling this way lately? You didn't tell them? I know it can be hard. People are so judgmental. But I think you should tell them, yeah. And go see my uncle. Okay? I'm gonna write his name right here. Okay? And I'm gonna give it to you, Fred. So please go call him. Well, I'll call him for you, but I also want you to call him, okay? Oh, friend, please come back and see me. I want to know all the details because I am never wrong, okay? So just, let me know. And also, where did you get your lips done again? They look amazing. I have to write it down. All right, thank you.